Hi, I'm Elsie from Mrs. Brand's second grade class in Lafayette School. Along with Mrs. Vangel's class, we have been working on a service learning project about the importance of recycling and composting. Thanks to the service learning department at Stanford School's Lafayette School has received a $1,500 mini grant from the Portland-based recycling and waste management organization Ecomaine. The grant allows schools to establish a waste sorting system in their cafeteria to reduce the amount of food and recyclable waste being thrown away and create materials to teach even the youngest students how to use them.
Hi, I am Aspen with the help from Leo Mayhew, environmental educator from Ecomaine. We dug into this service learning project dressed in aprons and gloves to examine the amount of waste thrown away at lunch. We started the waste audit off by practicing our estimation skills.
How much can we estimate? What do we think each of these bags of trash weigh?
How many pounds?
How many pounds?
Yeah, all that's 60 pounds.
Okay, everything is 60 pounds. What about you guys, group number one?
78.
78 pounds for everything? The whole 9 yards? Okay. So we're coming in pretty close.
Then broke into groups and weighed 4 students so we could figure out the total weight of each bag of trash.
Hi, I'm Tiffany. After estimating and finding the total weight of all the trash, we sorted into 4 piles: recyclables, cardboard, and plastic, food or compostable waste, and trash for the landfill. When the sorting was finished, we estimated the percentage of each pile using the same students' weight at the beginning. We determined the actual weight of each sorted pile.
Hi, I'm Gavin. We were surprised to find that out of a 44-pound bag of trash, less than 1 pound was actually trash. Most of what was being thrown out could be recycled or composted. We learned there were ways we could improve how we got rid of our waste. We could find ways to save the school money and be better for the environment.
Hi, I'm Logan. In February, we went to Sanford Regional Technical Center for help from high schoolers. With help from students in digital design class, we designed persuasive posters about recycling and composting for our cafeteria and hallways. The SRTC students taught us about how to use text, images, color, and layout to make our posters more readable and engaging. Together with the high schoolers, we created posters to persuade all Lafayette students to recycle and compost their lunch waste.
After designing our posters, we also got to visit the landscaping and horticulture classrooms and greenhouse. We went to different stations to learn about composting, worms, how to take care of a worm bin, and how composting supports life cycle of plants and worms. We planted seeds so we could grow our own flowers in the rich soil from the SRTC worm bins. After months of hard work and preparation, we are now taking care of our own worm bin and are ready to teach other students the importance of processing and composting.
As composting and recycling experts, our class became leaders. In our school, we held an assembly in our cafeteria to tell everyone about our project. Using a fake lunch tray, we walked them through each bin to show them how to sort their waste and put everything left on their tray in the right place. We invited Leo back to help us get other kids in our school excited about our project and to teach us where our recycle was going after we collected it.
After we got started, the junior high students from LC3 visited us to learn about our project. We taught them how to set up our sorting system, and our student helpers showed them how we help Even the youngest students compost and recycle their lunch correctly. Now they want to start composting and recycling at their school.
In April, we visited the Lafayette Tree Center to learn how composting happens in nature.
It's called decomposition. There are so many animals that eat dead leaves and trees. These animals break down the dead plants and animals to help the new forest grow. This really helped us understand the life cycle.
That trip gave us an idea. We wanted to see if we could grow new plants from the food waste we were composting, so we started planting zinnia seeds in our classroom and learned about a plant's life cycle, starting with tiny seeds.
We decided we could do more. Our classroom where Ben was already busy making compost for us, and Tibbet's farm was making mountains of rich soil from our lunches. We thought we could use all that soil to grow a school garden for our Lafayette community.
Miss Tina, a nutritionist from SNAP, came to teach us about how the vegetables we could grow in our garden would make our bodies strong and healthy. She helped us choose which kind of plants we should grow the most delicious and nutritious for our community.
Emily from Tibbet's farm, the farm that picks up our compost, came to help us build our garden. She brought a whole truckload of soil. That soil used to be our lunch. We bought our plants from our SRTC friends in the horticulture class and used our math skills to plant them 3x4 arrays. Emily taught us that our vegetable plants need the help of flowers to keep away the bad bugs and attract the good bugs, like butterflies. We also made sure our zinnia plants had a new home in our garden. We used some of our own worm bins from our classroom worm bin in our garden to make sure there is good soil. Miss Hathley's building trades class at SRTC built a sign for us so we could tell neighborhoods and families in our Lafayette community how to take care of our garden and welcome them to pick what they need for the dinner table. With our garden going strong, we decided to expand it. A few garden experts from LC2 at the junior high came to visit and taught us how to make gardens out of pallets that SRTC donated to us. We're all going to try this at home. We finished a year-long adventure with a special trip to its farm. We saw mounds of compost and took a tour at the greenhouse.
Mr. Pickering's third grade class from MCS came with us to see where our compost had been going for the last few months.
It was so great to learn about how the same project was being done by the third graders at another school. With our two schools together, we reflected on our year. We shared our thoughts and feelings with another about all that we have accomplished this year and how we hope to continue to compost at our school and teach other schools how to do it too.
I'm Elsie, and thank you for watching WSSR-TV. Bye.